Hi students, we are starting today one new method of solving quadratic equation that is called formula method. You have seen splitting the middle term, first one, then first term into last term, second method. Third was completing the square. This is fourth method. Very easy, very easy. If you know the coefficients and constant term, you will be able to get the roots of that particular equation within seconds. Within seconds. It's very easy. See what to do. First, you know the standard form of quadratic equation. It is ax square plus bx plus c. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. First we have to find values of a, b, c. They are in the equation. We have to just take out. After that, find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is called, value of b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. One discriminant we have seen in simultaneous equations. This is different one. This is b square minus 4ac's value is called discriminant. Discriminant is shown by Greek word delta, triangle, delta, small triangle. It is called delta. So discriminant is the value of b square minus 4ac. What is b, what is a, what is c? They are the coefficients and constant term of the equation. So once you get the discriminant's value, if discriminant is negative, if value of discriminant is negative, the value of discriminant is negative, don't solve the example. Value of discriminant is negative, check one more time, again it is negative, then don't solve the example. Just write there, since the discriminant is negative, further calculations are not possible. Why? Then we will explain it afterward. Discriminant is negative, further calculation is not possible. You will get full marks. But it happens in rarest case. Once in a blue moon it happens. If it happens, write there, discriminant is negative, further calculations are not possible. You will get full marks. You will get full marks. Once you find the value of b square minus 4ac discriminant, then take the root value of that. Take the root value of discriminant. Put the value in root. If it is perfect square, it will give a number. If it is not, use root. Use root value. After that, the main formula. This is the main formula of finding the roots. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is a mixed formula. Plus and minus both are mixed there. So we have separated them. To get two values, we have separated plus minus sign. The first one is minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac. Minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac. The value we have found here. Upon 2a. And another is x is equal to minus b square minus 4ac under root upon 2a. There will be two values of x and you will get two roots of that particular equation. So we are starting exercise number 2.4 now. It's very easy. So we are on the page number 43, exercise number 2.4. Find the values of a, comma b, comma c for the following quadratic equations by comparing with standard form. Find the values of a, comma b, comma c by using the given equations and comparing them with standard form. First is x square minus 7x plus 5. X square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. See, don't forget, here it is 1. Here it is 1. When there is no number, you have to recognize there is 1. So, A, B, C values are written as very simply compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 5. That's all. That's all. You have found the values of A, B, C. Values of A, B, C. Second one is 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. So this is not in the standard form. We have to bring it to standard form. How? Transfer these things here. Therefore, 2m square minus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0. And then it's easy. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 5. This is a very simple one. First you learn how to find the values of a, b, c. It's very easy. So we learn to find the values of a, comma b, comma c. We are going to use these values in the formula which will give us 2 roots. So this is question number 1. The remaining one you can do it easily. The remaining one you can do it very easy. It is y square is equal to 7y. Y square is equal to 7y. Therefore, y square minus 7y plus 0 is equal to 0. So we know there are 3 terms, but one term is missing. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 0. You got it? If one term is missing, put 0 there and that particular value will become 0. So it's very easy and you can do it very nicely. So we are starting next question now. So the main question is solve the given equations by using formula. So the equation is given. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What we got is values of a, b, c. So a is 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5. After finding these values, our main first step is finding value of b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant. So therefore delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b square means 6 square minus 4 into bracket AC, A is 1 into C is 5 is equal to 36 minus 4 into 5. Sorry, 4 into 5. So 36 minus 20 is equal to 16. We have found the value of b square minus 4ac. It is called discriminant. It is called discriminant. So I have told you, if discriminant is not negative, we can calculate further. If discriminant is not negative, we can solve further. So the main formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So using this formula separately for plus and minus, we are using separately, and we will get first formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is equal to minus into bracket value of b is 6 plus under root 16, the value of b square minus 4ac is 16. So we have put that value of b square minus 4ac delta discriminant in the under root sign, in the root sign, upon 2a is equal to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2 into 2a means a is 1. So it is 2. It will be minus 6 plus 4, minus 6 plus 4, that is minus 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. Minus 1 is equal to minus 1. We are solving first example of second question. So this is first value. The second one is using negative formula, a negative sign formula. So x is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a is equal to minus into bracket 6 plus, minus under root value of b square minus 4ac is 16 upon 2a, 2 into 1 2 into 1 So solving this, you will get minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. So minus 10 upon 2 is minus 5. Our final answer is roots are minus 1 and minus 5. Minus 1 and minus 5 are the roots of given quadratic question. I am explaining in detail once more. Solve equation by formula. Solve equation by formula. The given equation is x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Comparing with standard equation ax square plus bx plus c, we got the values of a, b, c. So first step is to find delta, discriminant delta, b square minus 4ac. So b square is 6 square minus 4 into bracket 1 into 5. So 36 minus 20 is 16. Value of b square minus 4ac is 16. Since it is not negative, we can solve the example further. So we have taken first formula. This is first formula using positive discriminant. Putting values, we got the value minus 1. Similarly, second formula is negative discriminant. Other all things are same. Positive discriminant, negative discriminant. By using positive discriminant, we got the first root, that is minus 1, and by using negative discriminant, we got another value, so it is minus 5. So roots are minus 1 and minus 5. Very simple. Once you understand these things, it is going to give you full mark. No splitting, no calculations, nothing. Very simple. Use the formula and get the answer. Correct? Yes. It's we call it a thumbs up rule. Means got a equation, you will get the roots and you will get the marks. So thumbs up rule means you are sure you are going to get marks. These type of examples are very frequently they will come in your exam. And definitely they will come in your exam. Frequently in the sense, it is not, it is fixed. Use formula and solve is a fixed example. Definitely the marking system, I will explain in the marking weightage system. One lecture we will be taking for weightage of each lesson of each subject. So how many marks that particular lesson is carrying, we are going to discuss in one lecture. So this is formula method. We are solving further examples now. So this is second example of exercise 2.4. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Correct? So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 2. So it is now second step is finding the value of b square minus 4ac. Therefore, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to What is b square minus 3 the whole square? Minus 4 into bracket AC, that is A is 1 and it is minus 2. So it will be minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 into bracket minus 2 is equal to 9 minus into bracket minus 8. So it will be 9 plus 8 is equal to 70. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 70. Correct? So we can use direct method plus minus formula and we'll get the answer now. What it is? The formula is b square x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So put the values directly there. Put the values directly there. X is equal to minus b is minus 3 plus minus under root 17 upon 2 into 1. So first thing using for plus formula. So x is equal to minus 3, that is minus 3 plus under root 17 upon 2. So x is equal to 3 plus root 17 upon 2. And the second is this side. This side is x is equal to minus into bracket minus 3 minus under root 17 upon 2. Very easy. So x is equal to 3 minus under root 17 upon 2. So the roots are 3 plus root 17 upon 2 and 3 minus root 17 upon 2. Within minutes you got the answer. Within minutes you got the answer. I think you have understood very nicely formula method. Try on your own. If you are having any doubt, I am sure you will not have any doubt in solving these examples. Suppose you have got any doubts, please ask me on WhatsApp number. Okay? Best of luck. Thank you.